and my first ever beach adventure from Macedonia in this river Treska, right next to the canyon Matka that starts a few hundred meters away from here. And you see beautiful nature here. So yeah, I am on a visit here in Macedonia, my home country, more specifically in Skopje, the capital city of Macedonia. And I'm visiting one of the most beautiful natural wonders in Macedonia. That's the canyon Matka and its surroundings. So I took the bus 60, not so far away from here, and the bus ride it takes around 15 kilometers from central Skopje. And now I'm gonna explore later the canyon Matka and the caves, but first I thought let's stop for a quick swim here in the lake because it looked very inviting, despite the water seems very cold. But anyway, let's go and see how it is. And this is actually my first swim in a river that I'm showing you on my YouTube channel, but it's definitely beautiful. So this river here is obviously natural, but the lake that I'm going to show you in another episode later is an artificial made lake with a dam. And yes, today is 17th of September, beautiful sunny Sunday. Current temperature outdoors is 28 degrees Celsius. Unfortunately, I don't have the water thermometer with me today, so I can't tell you the temperature of the water. It's very cold, believe me. It's like same amount of cold as it is in Sweden during April. If you have saw my episode when I was diving into a frozen lake. But yeah, look at that. The water is see-through over here. There is a person fishing over there also, which I think is prohibited actually at this period of the year. But yeah, and you see some cars over there on the road. People coming here to enjoy their Sunday here in Skopje, Macedonia. There is not so much depth here in the river, and this river actually was flowing all the way down to the lake Treska, which is now not existent, unfortunately. So you can't swim there because there's no water. But if you look on the other side over there, it's gonna be an interesting exploring later. Okay, let's see if there under the shadow it's a bit deeper. I don't think so. So we need to dive in here, despite being that shallow. All right, are you ready? It's actually my first swim ever here in this river, despite me living in Skopje for, I don't know, more than 5 years before moving on to Sweden. Actually 7, to be exact. All right, let's now find a nice spot. And yes, this is Beach Adventures with Chris, and I'm showing you beautiful places around the world. And right now I'm in my home country, Macedonia. Actually, I think that on that side the river is flowing a bit more. And look at that, isn't it beautiful? Beautiful. Okay, I think it is deeper over here, right? So that's good. That's good, that's good, that's good. And yes, it's finally now time to dive in. Ooh, it's cold, believe me, it's cold. But let's go. Oh Yes, I can feel the water here a bit more runny, but it's actually good. It's actually quite nice and refreshing. It's not that cold as I thought that it would be. The water seems very clean. So yeah, that's a wrap from my first beach visit and beach adventure here in Skopje, Macedonia. And make sure to tune in for more beach adventures. I'm going to be showing you the lake, the Matka Canyon. That's right, that direction. So yeah, thanks a lot for watching and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel. Beach Adventures with Chris!